Good morning, students. I hope all of you are fine. Welcome to online class. Students, in this lesson, we will discuss page number 41 and 42 of textbook. So kindly take out page number 41 of textbook and keep it in front of you. Students, first of all, take a scale and draw a line on the top of this page and write day, classwork and date. Now, students, in the end of this lesson, you should be able to learn about different transports that people used in Ibn Battuta's time, learn about different types of weather, and learn names of some countries in the world. Today we are going to learn something more about Ibn Battuta's journey. But before starting this, let's recall the journey of Ibn Battuta that we discussed previously. Ibn Battuta was born in Africa about 700 years ago. When he was a boy of 21 years, he decided to perform Hajj and left his home. First, he visited Egypt and there he saw pyramids and sphinx. Then he went to Mecca and saw Kaaba and pilgrims. After Mecca, he went to India and worked for a great king, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. He started his journey on camel because in old time means of transportation was not so advanced. People used camels and horses to travel on land and ship or boat to travel on the water. As you can see on this picture that how people traveled on land and how they traveled on water. Now come on page number 41. Let's start the reading. The topic is the shipwreck. First of all, what is shipwreck? Shipwreck means destruction of the ship. Because of the weather, sometimes ship broken down or sink into the water. That's called shipwreck. Okay, students, line number 1. How did you travel? Underline travel. Asked Hiba. On land, I went by camel. Underline camel. On sea, I went by ship. Once there was a terrible shipwreck. Please underline terrible shipwreck. It was so cloudy, windy, and rainy that day. Please, students, underline cloudy, windy, and rainy. The ship sank. Please underline sank. I lost all my money, but luckily I got back to land. I hope all of you underline. Okay, students, now please come on the main points of page number 41. Ibn Battuta travelled by camel on land because plane had not been invented in those days. It took much longer to travel to distant places. When people drive car, they can have accidents if they are not careful. We can avoid accidents by driving carefully, obeying traffic rules, and not driving too fast. Ibn Battuta travelled by ship on water and faced a terrible shipwreck due to cloudy, windy, and rainy weather. Okay, we have done with page number 41. Now please come on page number 42 and write classwork on the top of the page. Okay, the topic of page number 42 is Ibn Battuta's travels. Please come on line number 1. I went to many other places such as China and Spain. Please underline China and Spain. I travelled for 30 years but never took the same road. Ibn Battuta travelled for 30 years. Everywhere I learned something new. I loved learning about the world. Then I went home to see my family. I was so happy to see them again. The red line shows where Ibn Battuta went. Okay students, there is a map on the page on this page. There is a red line on this map that shows Ibn Battuta's whole journey. Now come on the question given below the map. Tick the places Ibn Battuta visited. Dear students, all of you know that he visited Mecca, Africa, China, India, Spain and Egypt. So please mark a tick in front of the boxes of these countries. Now come on the main points of page number 42. Ibn Battuta travelled for 30 years and never took same route. He learned something new about the world at each country. Ibn Battuta visited many countries like Egypt, Mecca, India, China and Spain. Now students, please take out your skills book. We have to do classwork on skills book page number 41. Take the scale, draw a line on the top of page number 41 of your skills book and write down day, classwork and date on it. I will give you instructions and you are supposed to follow the instructions to do this page. Okay students, there are two pictures on this page. Basically both of these are maps. So you have to observe these two pictures. But first of all, let's do the column matching on the top of page number 41. Please hold scale and pencil in your hand. Number 1 is Ibn Battuta lived 700 years ago. It is already matched. Now come on number 2. He was a great explorer. Everywhere he learned something new. He loved learning about the world. Now students, please come on the map. There are two maps. One is colorful and one is blank. You have to follow the color pattern of the colorful map and color the blank map. First of all, I will give you the instructions. Okay, students, you have to do yellow color in the pyramids on page number 41 of the skills book. Now hold black color and do in Kaaba. Now hold red color and do in the ship. Now take the blue color and do on the blue area that you can see in page number 42 of your textbook. That shows water. Now take yellow color and do on the particular place. Okay dear students, now come on the homework. It is your homework. These are two questions. Name the countries that Ibn Battuta visited and where was Ibn Battuta born. If you don't have notebook, then use loose sheets for the homework. Now there is a link. You can watch this video for the better understanding of this topic. Okay students, stay happy and stay safe at your home. Allah Hafiz.